Okay, so now I'm going to discuss the timber jambs for the compass lift. On the compass lift, we supplied the timber jamb door kits. You can see here I have a door kit, a timber jamb door kit in front of me. In regards to our door jambs, we supply the door jambs over length for the fact that they can be installed before the finished floor has been laid or after the finished floor has been laid. The timber door jambs also have a pre-routed out location for where the door locks go within the jamb itself, and they also have a pre-routed out spot for where the reed switch goes. Now, what we have here is an example of a assembled timber door jamb for a 2040 high door. Some things to make note when assembling the door jamb itself is you want to line up the top of your header for your door jamb. Now keep in mind the header has been cut to size, and so you do not need to cut down the header itself as in for its width. The only thing you will need to cut down, depending on what the height is for your door jamb. So if you don't have any finished floors laid down, like I said, we supply the door jamb an extra length. So they're not made to length, you'll need to cut them down. When you do cut them down, I'll just show you down here, you'll need to cut them from the bottom. So you don't cut the door jamb from the top, you cut the door jamb from the bottom, and you cut the bottoms off. That's after you've measured and you confirm whether or not the door jamb is being installed with the finished floor or before the finished floor has been laid. Some other things to make note as well is you want to route out your locations for where your hinges are going. So if you just want to step around this side here, you can see we've routed out the location for where our hinges are going. Now we recommend that you use a heavy duty hinge for the fact that the door that's being installed is a solid core door. So the door is quite heavy. So that's why we recommend using a heavy duty hinge and routing out the hinges on the jamb itself. One more thing to note, which is pretty much standard across the building industry, we recommend having a 3mm gap at the top of your door jamb and then a 5mm gap at the bottom of your lift, from the gap between the bottom of your door and the top of your finished floor, and a 3mm gap on your header from the top of the door to where the header starts.